Okay, just for a comparison, I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. So this area here on the top was very bad. I pulled most of it. I'm gonna probably need another 2 or 3 pulls from this, and this is also still pretty big, need another big pull. I'm gonna put it right now, do it again, and let's go. Let's start with this one, very hot, and I'm just gonna push it in and hold it there. If it's hard for you to hold it, just take a plastic or something and just press on it. It will be easier than trying to force it with your fingers. That's it, it's good. And one more of the smaller one. Now, different area of the United States or the world, there's different colored glues that work for the temperature of your area, so try to figure out what they are. Okay, I'm gonna let it dry pretty good and start over again.